Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove short meter in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. In order to do that, just hit your start key or option key. This window will open, and just right here we need to head over to the section options/quit. Once that open, select the option customize HUD, and yep, this is the option right here for short meter shots. Just open that. If you wanna turn off the short meter, just set this on off and they'll just remove the short meter. Similarly, you can just turn off that from layups as well as from free throws. And right here you have a lot of options for graphic, color, size. You can just change that if you want, but the main thing, how you can change that excellent lead kind of thing which appears when you throw the ball. So in order to turn off that, just get back from this, and here you have the option short feedback. You can just open that, and if you want to turn off this, just select this on off and they'll just remove that. But what I recommend you is to just select this on all shot, so that you will get to see the table. They'll show you coverage, distance, timing, which will eventually help you. But if you want to turn off this, you can just set this on off, and that way you will just get rid of that. By following the same way, you can remove all of those things which you want to remove. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can remove short meter in NBA 2K26. Let me give you the preview if that is removed or not. If I throw the ball, you will see that there is no meter, as well as they have removed the short feedback, and that's exactly what we wanted. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.